What is an online business? An online business operates primarily over the internet. It sells products or services without a physical storefront. This model lets entrepreneurs reach a global audience. The Ex.com shows the e-commerce market is projected to reach $7.4 trillion, with 85% of global consumers shopping online. Types of online businesses. There are many ways to run an online business. Some focus on selling products, while others offer services. Still, picking the right model is essential to reach the peak. Of course, it depends on your skills, goals, and what you're passionate about. 1. Selling tangible goods through an online store. For example, Amazon, which sold over 100,000 items per minute during Prime Day, exemplifies this model. 2. Digital products. Platforms like Teachable allow creators to sell courses directly to consumers, offering intangible items like ebooks, online courses, or software. 3. Services, providing expertise or assistance, such as consulting or freelance work. Websites like Upwork connect freelancers with clients worldwide. Netflix, for instance, offers ideal services on a subscription basis. 4. Subscription models, charging customers a recurring fee for continuous access to products or services. Want to grow your online business? Let me know what you're struggling with in the comments.